Hey guys, just woke up this morning and decided to do a tour. Mini tour. Here's the sunflowers. They have grown immensely. They are huge in my opinion. This one just like took over. And then we have the Mongolian giants in that. The birds just woke up and they're everywhere. So let me show you a size comparison if I can. There's me. My leisure wear. But anyway, there it is. I'll try to do this tour quick. Marigolds. Okay, there's something wrong with that one. I haven't figured that out yet. Sunflowers right here. Here it goes. Huge. I ended up getting some lavender. I think this is Spanish lavender. That one dried up, but then there's also another little bud over here. So we're okay. Look at the flowers. It's so pretty. Sorry. But they're pretty tall, you can see. And then over here, I ended up, oh look, a roly-poly. I ended up planting zucchini, winter squash, and I moved some things around. We have the sweet potato, guys. It's huge. Our tomatoes are tomato, which you can see right there. We have a strawberry that's ready to go. I wonder what that junk was. And a chili. The corn's growing. I gotta put that in the ground. Radish. Our beans. Pinto beans. Our cucumber, I'm not really sure how it's doing. And flowers. I'm just getting some flowers there to help attract or not attract bugs. Chamomile going up. Our garlic is probably almost ready to harvest. I put some flowers there, and there's some green growing. Rosemary's good. Marigold's still growing. Strawberry. This one ultimately dried up, and this one's gonna go. I put some flowers here, and there seems to be one little sprout or two right there. That's about it. There's squirrels. There's squirrel in it there. It's very active here in the day, in the morning. And I got a blueberry plant. I haven't put it anywhere. I actually need to get more compost, which I'm going to this Saturday. And that's it, guys. I transplanted this aloe vera from our front yard to the back. See how it's doing. We're contemplating putting like a fence there because we have doggies and they like to dig into places. Look at the birds. They're getting really bold. Okay, I think it wants me to stay away. I think they have a nest somewhere. Getting real bold. Our zucchini, winter squash, sweet potato, tomatoes, strawberries, that one's ready. And jalapenos, corn, radish, maybe green onion. Those might be, that's grass. I'm sure that might be green onion. Chives still not. Chives have been our ultimate fail. They have not been growing at all. Hey. See, so my things don't last. Here. Okay. Let's take off the strawberry, yeah? You want it? Yeah. Okay. I'll cut it for you. There's a strawberry. Okay. She's so red and pretty. Okay, let's wash it. Yeah. No. She's not gonna leave it there. She's starting to go sideways. I don't know. I need to put something there for her. She's starting to go that way. And also the there's been like mushrooms growing, and it's been like leaving this like sappy stuff. So, I don't know. I don't know what to think of that. It's gloomy out. Doom gloom. I'm not too concerned about it being dry or anything, but they do need water. So I'm not too sure. They look like they're okay, and then they look like they're not, but I keep putting water in them. I have that to keep it hydrated. I might fill it up right now, but these little hands want to stay in here. Hardest part is that everybody is following me today. Oh, maybe just bumped into me. It's okay. Oy. See what I mean? Everybody is following me today. I feel kind of lazy. Don't want to do all that. I don't want to go all the way over there and unravel it. But it is what it is. Okay. Oh. Apple? No, what is this? Strawberry. Strawberry of the day. How is it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can I try some?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Here. It's really good. Alright, so it turns out I do have to come all the way over here. Oh, I know I need my steps, but I just don't want to today. Some days, it's the hard thing about gardening. It's every day. It's consistent. It's a habit for sure. If you're not ready for it, you have to be physically ready for it, you know? It does keep you active. It does keep you outside. But if you're like tired, maybe you have a cold or something, you still gotta come out here. You still gotta show up. Gotta show up for these babies. And I got these. They're half shade, half not, basically. These mushrooms are starting to like ruin my garden. But I don't know if ruining, but it's making it like, it's putting like this Spider-Man sap on there. I don't know how to explain that, but I did harvest the basil, and it looks like my cilantro might flower, which I'm excited about because I want to put more. But once it flowers, like either you let it flower or you don't, basically, I think. So we'll see. And these, I have another video where I tried having YouTube video shorts, and basically it has raspberry. That's about it. This is actually a flower I got for my brother's graduation. Well, not, you know, like I hosted his graduation. Not really hosted, but more like I provided the backyard for it. At the time, my grass was greener. The sprinklers are broken. I need to fix those. I just haven't invested time in that. I really need to. It's getting really yellow. But it is California. So honestly, it's just going to happen. I don't know if in other states, you know, the grass is greener in other states, but okay. See you guys later. I'm gonna roll up this hose. I don't think you guys want to watch that, but if you do, let me know. But it's really good. It's from our garden. Did you know that? No, you didn't know that. Is it good?